Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Damn right, bro. 4 a.m. I'm just getting started. For my birthday, I threw me a surprise party. Reminiscing about the trap playing the first quarter. My life changed when I had my first daughter. Got my first quarter flipping $50 slabs. Your nigga looking at the bills, asking you for half. Cut from a different cloth. Take pride in results. Anytime she wanna dip, I'm providing the sauce. You on side of the boss, so you kinda the boss. You keep playing with me, I end up signing your boss. Drop an EP on a nigga for the free on a nigga. Yeah, you ZZ on a nigga, king like BB on you nigga. Yeah, rock with Champagne P. If it wasn't for the struggle, then I wouldn't be me. Call me Deuce or Dose.